Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. I'm really excited to show you a brand new app for recovering deleted photos, videos, or basically any files from your iOS devices. This app is called iRecovery, and it was recently released. As you can see, I already have it on my device. Let me open up the app to show you how it works. As you can see, it's a real app, and to recover your files, you just need to click on the Recover button. Once you click on it, the process will take a little while, and then you'll see the photos and other files available for recovery. Now, I won't go through the recovery process right now since I don't want to show you my personal photos, but believe me, this app is real and it works. And the best part is that it doesn't require any jailbreaking or complicated steps. It's really straightforward and easy to use. Just keep watching this video and you'll see for yourself how simple it is. Let's dive in. Before the installation, you need to change some settings. First, enable Background App Refresh by going to General and choosing it on Wi-Fi or on Wi-Fi and mobile data. Second, turn off Battery Saver Mode because it can mess up the app. Make sure you do these 2 steps before moving on. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it will be Safari, and go to the website called lucidapk.com. Lucidapk.com is a website where you can find many modded apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for iRecovery and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the blue download button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.